In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Circle.so account. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can set up your account with ease. Whether you're looking to join communities or create one of your own, having a Circle. So account is your first step toward a more connected experience. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to head over to the Circle.so website. Once you're there, look for the option that allows you to create an account. You'll often find a button or link that says sign up or get started. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your name, email address, and a secure password. Take a moment to choose a password that is both memorable and secure. A good password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This step really sets the foundation for securing your information, so don't rush through it. After you've filled in your details, go ahead and click on the Create Account button. At this point, a quick reminder: make sure every detail you've entered is correct. An incorrect email address could hinder the verification process, while a typo in your password might lock you out of your account. Once you've clicked Create Account, you may be prompted to verify your email. So this is a crucial step as it adds an extra layer of security to your account. To do this, head over to your email inbox. You should see an email from Circle. So that contains a verification link. If you can't find it, be sure to check your spam folder or any other folders where it might have been filtered. Clicking on the verification link in this email will finalize your account creation. Should you encounter any issues during this process, many websites, including Circle.so, offer helpful support or a FAQ section that can guide you through solutions. Now, with your account verified, you're all set to explore Circle.so. At this stage, you can start personalizing your profile, exploring different communities, or even setting up your own if you're looking to connect like-minded individuals. Being part of a community or starting one gives you the ability to share ideas, collaborate on projects, and engage with people who share your interests. As a final tip, try to familiarize yourself with the platform's features, as Circle so often evolves with new tools that can enhance your community experience. And there you have it, a successfully created Circle.so account ready to be explored. Thank you for watching, and if this guide was helpful, consider subscribing for more useful tutorials.